Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to create subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger. So let's get started. First of all, open Hostinger and then click on the hosting button. After that, click on the manage button. Now scroll down to the domain section and click the subdomain button. Now click on the create subdomain button, and after this click on create button. Now the subdomain is successfully created. Now click website from the left menu bar, choose WordPress, enter the details and click install, and here's the WordPress. So that's how you will create subdomains and create WordPress and Hostinger. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.